Tahoe. The parents are gassing up the vehicles. Just did a little painting. We're on the road, Avery. Woo! What are you excited for, Avery? Tell the camera.
I'm excited for Lonza's, for good food, for a pina colada on the beach.
Yes.
That sounds awesome.
That sounds good.
And tubing.
Tubing. What are you?
Family time.
Family time. What are you excited for, Daniel?
Sitting on the beach.
Sitting on the beach. We made it. There's Dad.
Survived.
We lived. We
You're
lost
driving.
Mom. You're cute. Show me your rug. That's really nice.
I'm excited. Wait for Mom's big walk down.
Like this.
I'm
That's
trying to
me.
figure out if these fit me because I just went in the changing room and I didn't want to go there again. So here are my pants. What do you think,
Turn
guys?
around. What did you ask me?
Is my ass too fat for this?
It just looks really funny with your pants. We got Mom in the car now and Dawn. Oh, it's so precious. Wow, we have so many cars.
I got random allergies. Yeah.
Not random
interesting.
allergies.
We're here.
We're
My
here.
pants are falling down.
No, don't show that part.
What part? With your hand? And Avery, go.
You're like a freaking angel. Do the burpee again. Cool.
Is this too much sugar or is this like boredom?
This is excitement that we're done
That's fair.
traveling.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm writing that down, by the way.
I can hear the hot tub. Look how beautiful this is. Hello there. We're watching sea otters. Did he get you? So we're on the bottom floor. I think we're gonna take this bedroom. There's the cute little bathroom we got going. I've already put some things in, but the tub is where it's at, and in a little closet. Cute. The view. All right, I opened the blinds and the lights a little bit better in here. All right, we're unpacked. The swimsuit and jammy drawer. And then underneath is hoodies and hiking gear. My mom got me a horsey, so I thought he'd be good there. The pool table.
Uber and some of the reviews. I don't know what they're expecting. Yeah, but how shit.
Oh, it's so pretty right now. The Rubes is out here. Hi. All right, I think this is the dinner fit. 13 minutes to dinner.
We had a carry crew.
You made it. Thank you, Daniel. Yay!
What did you say, Dimple?
It's Dom, what's a Shirley Temple? Dana
like
wants
a-
to know.
Right with cherry syrup.
I know.
That's a good one.
I didn't have a lava lamp, but I just had a real lava.
In the way.
Mocktail or regular?
Dad, when you want more?
And we need a second picture of those. Okay, perfect.
The liqueurs on
Oh
top.
my god.
The liqueurs on top. Holy smokes! This is all liqueurs.
I had a straw.
Sicilian Slurpee.
Like out the door. Six out the 6.
How is it, Dad?
Yeah. Because we have like a fleet. We have so much.
Cheers, Avery.
We get the stuff to tricky.
Gotta have a cheers at Lon's.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Daniel.
Jack wants to sip at the bottom.
Get your glass too.
We got another one.
Perfect.
Keep going.
Back seat, mixing.
So I'm sure. I'll do also the Lance's sampler, please.
It's not legs, but it's really good.
Man, I'm waking up tomorrow at 5.
That's true.
You need another picture?
We don't need to worry about it because we're drinking again tomorrow starting at 7 a.m.
There is a bunch of
Hair of the
ton
dog.
of drinks at
I have a case of Moscow mules.
You do, you do.
Yeah, so remember it was 51 degrees when we got there.
It's supposed to be hot tomorrow.
You know, New York style cheesecake.
What?
If we have room.
fucking so good.
What do you really think, Jack?
So does that mean it's free or?
Yeah, I'm assuming that's what that means.
Espresso.
I love the little cups, man. Those are cool.
You're up, Mama. We're gonna do me and Daniel versus Mom and Dad.
Get it. What?
So like,
Forget about your mom.
No. Now I know she was hustling men for money at the pool hall.
It was Uncle Ron in your basement.
Oh. Swimsuit of the day. Good morning. It is 5:11. I'm gonna put a bikini on and go get in the water at 7 a.m. Because it's just how you do it in Tahoe. Daniel's upstairs making coffee. I don't know how. It's so early. Daniel's here. Back at my coffee machine. How was it?
Great. Apparently, like, I tried to pre-made the coffee yesterday, and I only thought your dad brought, what do you call it?
Ungrounded beans.
Ungrounded beans. And I was like, crap. And so then I saw that they brought Folgers. I'm like, oh, nice, Folgers. But apparently it's instant Folgers, right? And so that, but I didn't, it didn't say that on the packaging. And so then I put everything into like the big coffee, like the big coffee machine. I turn it on and this thing starts going like crazy. It goes right, like, you know. And I'm like, oh, it's broken, it's busted.
Oh no.
So then I have to like, I'm like, okay, there's no coffee today. And so then I have to look around the kitchen for another small one, find a small one, and then I realized there's, and so then I just switched like the
bowl or cup
yeah,
or
like
whatever.
the bowl of coffee into the small one, and waiting for the coffee. Finally pour it, and this thing comes out. Like
Purple.
huh?
So dark, it's purple.
It's so dark, it's like a black hole that you're just gonna suck into it, or you're gonna have the best shit of your life, basically.
Oh.
So then I had to like, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna like, to not waste it, I poured myself a cup of that.
Yeah, is that what that is?
Oh yeah, like I'm not, and so then I had to like, you know, take one for the team to not like waste. So then I poured it to my, you know, pour one cup for myself.
This is vacation. You can waste anything.
Oh, and then throw the remaining amount of coffee off. Find a bag of coffee that's already pre-grounded,
Yeah.
or whatever it's called.
Grind.
Grain, yeah,
Grind.
whatever. The
Ground
viewers
coffee.
understand my stupidity.
It's 5 a.m.
And then I kind of was able to pre-make coffee for
Yeah.
the people.
That's a saga right there.
Yeah. And it's even worse because like the kitchen is like next to your parents' room.
Yeah, they definitely
right?
heard you.
And so the whole time I'm like, have you seen this meme? I'm not sure where they're from, but it's like, shut up! Why are you so loud?
Yeah.
Basically.
Wow. I'm sorry.
Yeah. My life isn't 15.
It is.
Oh my god, you guys! I
Oh my
went talking
God,
about my
welcome to
makeup
my
today
show.
and my outfit. Oh my outfit.
I already showed them my outfit.
Thrifted.
Really?
This
Is
is
that your
thrifted
pink
and this
shirt?
is a thing. Old Navy.
Nice. It's hot. I bought everything from the store. I wish it was thrifted, but I'm gonna wear a hoodie today and it's from Trinidad. It's so cute. Look at the autumn.
It's kind of weird that when you step out, they can also see like,
Your back.
yeah, this is my
Front
booty.
and back. It's a 3-minute video.
You
She's
know, like,
long.
switch. I think it's my escapade as well.
Here's the bikini for the day. It looks so cute. It's got little daylilies. Wait, hold up. The bottom is really cute. It's their little lettuce leaf. Wait. I put my pants on prematurely. I'm not thinking this morning. Oh, little lettuce leaf babies. That's cute. Got back to the Avery, show the fit.
Alright, so we've got red cashmere.
Fancy. Where from?
New shorts from Ace Hardware.
Those are cute.
We get the brand.
Cavu.
Cavu.
Got the Tivas.
Bedrocks.
Nice.
Painted toes.
Oh, fancy. You guys are cute.
Jans.
What's your outfit, Anna?
Okay, so first of all, we have Patagonia shorts.
Oh,
that I
those
got
are
for
cute.
60% off. Next we have a top that my mom gave me that she's
Cute.
anymore.
Good morning, sunshine. You excited, Daniel?
Huh?
You excited?
Oh, the water's high.
It is high.
We're here.
We're here. She's going in the water. Yes. It's getting serious. Good job. Oh, hopefully there's no wind. It's a one-man job.
It's to your knees.
Might be a little higher than that.
No, to your about
Dang, that's so
to your
mean.
knees. Is it cold? Okay.
Is it not cold? We're up and going. Woo! Getting the skis in. Hi.
So we're gonna rotate this will be a no boat too. So fun.
I'm not gonna vote till it's
so I
sun.
have to drive.
I'm also licensed.
Daddy has the boat card though. You don't have the boat card.
I like your little table. Good. Let me
Do you know how
see
much
that.
alcohol you can have in your system if you get caught driving a boat under 18?
0.01.
.2.
Oh.
Do your splits. How far can you go?
Not very farther than this.
No, Jack.
I say she's gonna say like this is a family at least 5 times.
Okay,
I say
gotcha.
3.
I understand the game. I'm gonna say maybe I'm gonna guess 6.
6
One
times.
above you.
That's high. I said 3. We're already at 1.
Really? Serious.
Boat nap time.
What?
This is good content right here. Jack, you look like you're about to assist an elderly person.
So short like this.
Oh, he's got the little bucket.
Like a horse.
Yeah, like a horse did. Don't you have a bad knee? Oh my gosh, bro. Woo!
Daniel, can I come with you?
I mean, I'm staying here, so.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
You're always
Okay.
Pull those in, yeah. Pull the poppers in.
I thought you leave those out.
No.
I need a lighter.
Hopefully I don't get
You need a
seasick.
light.
No need to.
Unless it's sitting out.
No, you gotta worry about the rocks.
The sun!
Little known place on the side of a mountain, with the hidden valley where the redwoods grow. There's a rocky cliff looking over the ocean.
You bought a boat!
Makes you feel like you're standing at the edge of the world. I've been there once before, it's calling me back once more. I remember the turns and trails along the way as we move. There's a feeling, there's a freedom from the start. It's true. We keep the places that we find close to our hearts. They remind us who we are.
Toes in the water, ass in the sand.
Out of all the songs you chose.
With Tennessee.
Remind us who we are.
There's a secret room up a spiral stairway, where the lavender floats like a song in the air. A quiet glow illuminates the stillness, and I can feel my heart open layer by layer. I've never been there before. One day I'll be for sure, but I'm never one to settle or stay. I need to move. There's a feeling, there's a freedom from the start. It's true. We keep the faces that we find close to our hearts. They remind us who we are. Lost between the moments we fall. The song that calls us home. We move in the feeling, in the freedom of our hearts. It's true. We trace the lines that lead us back to. There's a meaning in the moments near and far. It's true. We trace the lines that lead us back to the start.
Imagine if one person can change the world.
So true. Put that on a t-shirt.
It's Anna's world. We're just living in it.
Columns underneath the Pantheon dome, ovid with a pen in the heart of Rome. Julius in purple with the laurel on. Every quest he lives is legend by dawn. Spill the wine, spill the secrets, catch the Colosseum glances, ink on pages by the fire of bacchanalian dances. Cut the deal, cut the road, take the gate, keep the throne, move the pieces, name the days, etch the future into stone. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do, perpetual grinding, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the brothers and lovers?
Be a problem.
Avery.
Go, go, go!
Oh, we're going.
If I know you for a second, maybe then it will get you to notice me. some dimension where honesty reads as weak. Why am I next to you? Next to you, next to you. If it's
Dom said no. Why not?
Oh, ow, are you okay? You jumping in? Woo!
Oh god, it's cold like that.
Yeah.
Kind of anticlimactic.
Really? It's not fun?
Right. Nope. When you do those S turns, yeah, do a longer S turn to where we actually start following you.
round of applause for a hell of a party. For guy only got here a second ago. Penthouse and it looks like a wet dream that we'll all be having for years. And you know we are talking too close to be just friends. You hope that nobody tells your girlfriend I can't keep you straight. You can stay away when I'm next to you.
Oh, we lost them.
When I say I love you, I try not to mean it. When I say I love you, I try not to mean it. When I say I love you, I try not to mean it. Round of applause for a hell of a party. For guy only got here a second ago. Penthouse and it looks like a wet dream that we'll all be having for years. And you know we are talking too close to be just friends. You hope that nobody tells your girlfriend I can't keep you straight.
Yeah. Look at that stash.
Oh, is that mom? So we did get mom an extra. So
Pina coladas.
just set it there.
Again, ready?
Yeah, cheers.
All right, everyone's
Cheers,
in.
everyone.
Yeah, I know. They totally have script. They totally.
Who's that for?
Dang it. Oh, dang! I know.
We ordered a bunch of swirls. Down to the nub.
Yeah. I just wanted you to have a little fun, even if you didn't want to.
That's it. You gotta peel. Oh, look at you, Zoe. You got a cozy.
So damn good.
Is it?
Over.
Columns underneath the Pantheon dome, ovid with a pen in the heart of Rome. Julius in purple with the laurel on. Every quest he lives is legend by dawn. Spill the wine, spill the secrets, catch the Colosseum glances, ink on pages by the fire of bacchanalian dances. Cut the deal, cut the road, take the gate, keep the throne, move the pieces, name the days, etch the future into stone. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do, perpetual grind and always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down.
We're leaving. I am toasted, roasted and toasted. Oh, we got a little line.
I'm sunburned.
Yeah, me too. I think we are going to have a nice shower and some pizza and some salad. I need that in my life. My tummy hurts. Maybe. So pretty. Did you have a good time at the lake?
I did.
Good. Strawberry cream. I love when it gets that little white line in the distance between the water and the mountains. It's so pretty.
Oh, dang. Rip it out. Rip it out.
What do we got going, Jack?
Sausage, fried eggs,
Baconius.
bacon.
Ruby's coming today. Aren't you, Ruby? Hi! Got our little system here. It's a nice plate. Hello, good morning. Need a fork?
No, just go by hand.
Tube was just airborne. I saw someone fly through the air.
Was that me or you, Jack?
That was you.
Was it me? I didn't feel like I was going that high, but man, my stomach felt it.
I went airborne a couple times.
Yeah. And somebody's took the ice chest and red one down and put it in the truck.
Here's today's fit. Patty Gucci shorts, got my tank top on, necklace, some earrings, feeling very cute, very outdoorsy. I don't know if I like these. They're kind of cute. I think I'm gonna try these on. They're really cute. These fit well. That's nice. I like that on you. Go look at the mirror. Baby.
Nice bullet for a antenna.
What do you think of this, Mom?
Thank you.
Look at this Jeep.
It's pretty nice.
What do you think? Do I need this?
I like that one.
My picture.
What are you gonna do?
Egg salad sandwiches.
Tell it to the mic.
Oh,
Tell it to the mic.
growing up, we used to drive this road, and we would have egg salad sandwiches, and it's super windy, and you would just want to throw up the whole time. You'd say, "Mom, I'm sick. I'm sick." The smell of an egg salad sandwich smells disgusting. I hate egg salad sandwiches. Maybe if you like
I
them.
love egg salad.
Well,
sandwiches. I love
yeah, you guys are weird.
I love tuna salad, egg salad, potato salad, all the salads.
You tried this like viral tuna salad. I think the Matthew McConaughey salad where like
Yeah.
he grabs like potato chips and some different stuff. This was like really good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Just a full-on fatty salad.
Right.
Where are we?
It looked like there was a tree laying across.
We're at Wright's Lake. Make sure you step in poo. This is a family. Kids. Through. What's the phrase?
I'm a rootin' tootin' gunslinger.
We got free glasses on the trail. Oh,
She's got him now.
Leeches can't get puppy because long fur.
she's got short fur. She's looking at those ducks.
Maud Lake, Lake Doris,
Oh, you want a
Lake
bear?
Lois, Lake Schmidl, all
Wow.
the way to Leland Lakes.
That's a lot.
10 miles in.
Oh, wow. I've only been to Grouse Lake right here. want to jump right in. Here's the setup. Honestly, kind of nice. What do you think? Cheers. Can I give you a sippy? Oh, lame. All the kids are behind us.
Jump.
Right. Go ahead.
Hey.
Full send.
Woohoo.
Whee!
You have to stick out your legs.
How was that?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, right here. So you want to like jump and then immediately put your legs out. Because your bottom is going to hit the bottom. Woo! Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I didn't touch actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, good for you.
So pretty. Well, look who it is. Off she goes. Bye.
Laters.
Everybody's swimming.
By swimming on.
Yeah,
Well, because it's a heck of a lot warmer in Tahoe.
it's true.
You can jump in? Huh?
Come on. Come on in, Freshie. Come on. Good girl. You and Mom in the background? Well, hello there. You're cute. Oh. Everybody's at the rock.
What's your problem, lady?
Yeah,
You
what's
got the
that?
Jacksel trick.
WD.
WD-40. No speaking.
Oh, we're in trouble.
And polite.
Yeah. Where's your 3 horns to beep, to back up?
3 horns to beat.
Sorry. 3 beeps to back up. You're being so cute. Hi, Daniel. How are you?
Good.
Good. What a beautiful little cove. Dom, wait. Yeah.
That is bull.
It's somebody's napkin. Oh, dude, going through the tunnel at sunset. Aww.
Get the mic.
They have to hear it. Got it from you.
No, you did not.
I definitely
You
did.
started singing
You
it.
said,
I
"Are
started
you gonna go to
making
Guadi
fun of
Holly?"
you.
And I said, "Oh my God,
No, you
that's so
definitely
cute and
started
funny."
singing.
No, it was you
Daniel,
first.
100%. No, Daniel.
Daniel, you are the man. It was definitely Avery, right?
Daniel.
Avery said it first. and You
Daniel.
were
The
offended.
pretty lake.
You were. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. There. Oh,
What is it?
I never know my next move, baby.
this is gorgeous.
I think I have a coming for you.
Oh, with songs they have sung, singing every 1,000 years. Do we sound like Dad yet?
Yes. Anytime I see it.
Marble Roy.
See, I didn't want to repeat that because
like 10
I
times.
got so annoying.
What is that from?
From a movie.
They got what movie?
Some Jew movie.
What'd you get, baby?
Cappuccino.
The rubies.
She just hears them.
I like when she's got her little paws like this. The whoops. The whoops. Are you sleeping?
She was staying up all night guarding us from the deer.
Oh, nice.
You're so cute, Wooby. Oh.
I walked down the stairs, but we went to drink coffee, do stuff this morning, and then I think I'm on a hot tub now because we keep meaning to do it at night, but then we get home too late and we're all tired and then really sunburned. So we're gonna do it now.
Time for the jacuzzi. I don't think I've gotten a good enough picture of this.
Did you check out the Tims?
The Tim's, what's
the hot
that?
tub?
Oh yeah, it feels good. Normal. Oops. Stick your little fingies in there. Oh. It's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I honestly love this so much. Having the best time. It's like 9 a.m. I think, and it's got a hot tub at 9 a.m.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, we're all
In the hot tub.
I'm so red.
She's red.
You're hot, Avery. How is the heat, team? Yeah. Look at this view. Fit 2 of the day, and I'm feeling very beachy with my little earrings, my Trinidad hoodie, and then I am gonna wear this cute red bikini to the beach today. Look how sunburned I am. That's so bad. So today's breakfast is looking better than yesterday's.
No, I like yesterday's. I like both.
This is looking good. We got the potatoes, the eggs, Vermont maple sausage, and the sauce.
Guys are not like this.
Do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch.
I don't want to. I have lunch.
More shopping, and I can't decide if I like Yosemite or the fish. Dogs.
Good rule of thumb to always have that.
Thank you. You want to text them we're on our way back?
Yes. What's your sweater? What's the fit?
Like at this point,
From Dairy Boy. Brown trout.
That's
Puff
cute.
Sleeves.
Cute, cute. What are the shorts
Knitted.
from?
Shorts. Costco like 5 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Blue.
so
Bedrocks.
Bedrocks.
Blue toes. Where the toes from?
Where the toes?
Bella Nails.
Nice.
Plug.
Mine's still
National
hanging in.
Park
Was
bag
that yours? I thought that was Anna's.
from Minga.
Oh, that's cute.
Wait. Trout hat
Oh, got
from
a trout hat.
smokingchimneys.com.
Oh, dude. Okay, now the fit's legit.
Yeah. Mom's looking cute.
Trout and trout.
Nice and cloudy today, huh, Mom?
It is nice and cloudy.
Can't wait to boat.
Sipping on my morning blend, staring
It's a
off
little
his
rainy, but
face
it should be
again, reading
It's so
between
cold.
the signs.
Like 60 degrees
I'm
in it.
caught up in my mind, checking off my daily tasks, running but I don't look back, chasing down anything to keep me in make believe.
it's kind of dumb that they put like those there.
Yeah, makes no sense, but I guess they don't want an accident, right?
Yeah, because it's like you park on the side right here.
Just a freshie. What are you laughing at, Avery?
I'm in a daydream, hoping maybe I might find something holding me with meaning. I can't get past the thought that I know what's real. I choose to stay. Daydream, conversations in my head. isn't where I'm meant to be. I'm in a daydream, hoping maybe I might find something holding me with feeling. I can't get past the thought that I know what's real. I choose to stay.
I still don't think that's mom and dad. Oh no, it is. They're so far apart. I'm getting it, man. The most beautiful man just dumped me in the water. I love you.
You can switch with Zoe at one point.
Why don't you follow him and then he gets to switch up anyway?
I don't need to be on the tube, but am I watching? Is that my job? Am I flagging?
You're gonna drive side
Okay.
saddle, and Johnson's got on that one, and then at some point he wants to go on the tube, so one of us will
Or,
go on.
Okay,
or
sure.
you
Choose to stay, baby.
Did you have a good day?
Daydream.
This is so pretty. The sunsets have been unparalleled. Now do it again for the video. What's more luscious, Avery or the view? Or is Avery the view?
Be more, maybe.
God, Avery. She got her butt out for the video again.
Did you know that you can do this? So,
What?
you know,
Do what?
if you go into here, go into styles,
Styles?
I can change the. I did not know I could
That's
do it.
really cool, actually.
can make it more
And then I
orange,
can
right?
like change.
You should make it pink.
Oh, that is
that's
cool.
hot. Make it super
See, and
pink.
then, like I can like change how much gold.
Oh,
I want.
How'd you do that?
So
that's was this a good trip, Avery?
Great trip.
The Tahoe rain has come.
Pacific.
Wow.
I mean, it's Laramie, Wyoming.
Yeah.
It looks like it's West Creek on most of the stuff. Okay. Yeah, if that's what you wanted, that's fine. Well, I thought you I did.
Bye, guys. Avery.
this kind of looks like stuff.
It does look like Scotland. We finished the Tahoe trip, and I am sad now because I have to leave my family and go back home. But it has been the best trip. My favorite day was jet skiing on Lake Tahoe. At 3 p.m. it gets super windy, so it's like the ocean, and then we were really jumping the ski, and that was so fun. You're just being funny and cute.
I'm in a daydream,